What's up, future millionaires? Mercury Roads here, and today we are talking about stagflation. Stagflation's definition is the persistent high inflation combined with high unemployment and a stagnant demand in a country's economy. Now, essentially what that means is at the same time we're seeing inflation, prices going up, we're seeing a stagnant economy, as in people are buying basically bare essentials, a lot of luxury items, etc. Big major purchases aren't getting purchased right now, and unemployment is also rising. So when the economy is stagnant but rising inflation happens, we get stagflation. I had to get some receipts for y'all. So this article from Forbes states, as of June 2022, the United States is not in stagflation, nor is most of the world, but it's likely coming. The root cause is the timing effects on monetary policy. In a nutshell, the Federal Reserve or other central banks affect employment before it affects inflation. And since we're already seeing inflation and we're seeing the Federal Reserve basically hike up prices on interest rates and etc. to try to get control over inflation, the same time that we're seeing panic and scare in the market is why we're going to be eventually in stagflation. At least that's what the experts are saying, and me looking at the market every day, that's kind of what I'm seeing. I post financial literacy tips Monday through Friday, so if you want to stay in tune with the latest news and figure out how to navigate through this recession and the upcoming stagflation, make sure you hit that follow button or subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. So the next time I see you, I can say,